So going through Zanzibar town, and it's very interesting mix of cultures. So let's check the names.
So the slaves were not from Zanzibar. All slaves from Central Africa or East Africa.
Streets of Zanzibar.
Those you can see here, this is original from the Indian door, but this square is original from the Arabic door. And there's sequence of Quran. Quran, it symbolizes you that you as a Muslim, the owner of this house.
It's a lion's tooth. So this is the Bohra Mosque. And this depicts the different kind of designs they used to have. This is a Gujarati community kind of design on this beautiful door, and this one looks like a Hindu design. So basically it shows that they used to live in so much of harmony. They were so secular right from the beginning. Going through the streets of Zanzibar, it's a stone town, and
Zanzibar we had 11 sultan, and all sultan from Oman. So when he came in Zanzibar, it was before being sultan. They came here as a Busaid family. Busaid family, it's Omani family. They came here, they fight against the Portuguese. And the Portuguese, when they defeated, they left here. And Omanis took, and they started to build this problem. So it was a palace from there until this area. You can see there was a footbridge there. You can walk from there to that place there. So that big building there, it was also by the Sultan.
at the back is the House of Wonder.
This what? Hey! I don't know what that I'm not guaranteed, because since we collapsed, this now is a 5 years. We still get Portuguese. But here you can see there was a house connected from there to here. But according to the bomb, the house here was gone. This was special for the concubine.
Wonders. Different stages it went through. So at the back is the museum, and here we got the happiness table.
Hello, welcome Zanzibar pizza.
The hustle bustle market of Zanzibar Island.
Kama umefunga Chelsea, basi Everton itakufunga. Ndio tushakubutua wewe, sasa nataka Chelsea. Ndio ninakwambia Manchester.
That's the creek side, Zanzibar, and the port on your right. At the local market come creek side of Zanzibar Island, it's very amazing. So that's the end of this beautiful tour of Stone Town, Zanzibar. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and watch more vlogs.